Understanding, I'm in your squad, a guide to modern English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a modern phrase that's been popping up in conversations, movies, and even online games. I'm in your squad. This expression is not just about words. It's about friendship, teamwork, and belonging. So, if you've ever wondered what it means and how to use it, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The phrase, I'm in your squad, is a contemporary way to say that you are part of someone's group, team, or circle of friends. The word, squad, originally referred to a small military unit but has been adopted into everyday language to denote a group of people who share a common interest or goal. When someone says, I'm in your squad, they're expressing solidarity, support, and readiness to stand by you, whether in a game, a social situation, or life's challenges. Understanding the origins of squad can give us deeper insights into its current usage. The term has military roots, signifying a group that operates closely together. Over time, popular culture, especially music, movies, and social media, has redefined squad to mean a tight-knit group of friends or allies. This evolution reflects the importance of camaraderie and cooperation in both historical and modern contexts. Using I'm in your squad in conversation is a powerful way to show your support and commitment. Here are a few examples. In friendship, don't worry about the school project, I'm in your squad. We'll tackle it together. In professional settings, if you're pitching that new idea to our boss, remember, I'm in your squad. I've got your back. In gaming or online communities, looking forward to the tournament tonight. Remember, I'm in your squad, so let's win this. The phrase, I'm in your squad, goes beyond mere words. It's an affirmation of loyalty and support. It strengthens bonds, fosters a sense of belonging, and encourages teamwork. When used sincerely, it can significantly impact personal and professional relationships, making people feel valued and supported. And there you have it, a closer look at the phrase, I'm in your squad. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and use of this modern expression of camaraderie and support. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the connections and experiences they facilitate. So, the next time you want to show someone they're not alone, just let them know, I'm in your squad. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.